Now we will take brinjal and cauliflower and carrots and French beans and drumsticks. I did not have drumsticks, so I used French beans and pumpkin. This is very important. And onions. Along with this,
सारी उठा के डाल देना,
we will also
टमाटर रह
take
गया बस डालो
any other vegetable of your choice. Also garlic
इधर डाल दो ना यार, बोला था
and
डाल दो सारी इसमें, हाँ डाल दो.
a total of half a kg of vegetables of your choice. You can take any other vegetable also, including tomatoes. Tomato is very important. So let's start. Let's light the fire and the cooker. We'll add 1 liter of water to it and lentils, arar or tuar dal, 150 grams. This we will be cooking. To this we'll be adding sea salt or any other natural salt that you have, 1 tablespoon. Along with this we'll add turmeric, that is again 1 tablespoon, and we will cook this. But wait, we'll add red chili powder also. Once this has been added, we will cap the cooker now and cook the lentils. In the meantime, we light the second fire and add 30 ml of kachi ghani or cold pressed non-refined mustard oil or coconut oil. Sambar is basically cooked in coconut oil, but being a Punjabi, I am going to use mustard oil. But my advice is that you must use coconut oil. Along with this, asafoetida or hing, that is 2 or 3 pinches, must be added. This is very, very important. And mustard seeds, that is again 1 tablespoon. So our temper is now ready, and now we'll add the onions. But remember, as I have always told you, that once the mustard oil has reached the smoking point, we reduce the flame and then we add the ingredients. Now when the onions become soft, translucent and golden brown, that is the time we'll start adding the vegetables, because it is ultimately the vegetables that we are going to be cooking. And again stir. And stirring is important so that the fusion takes place and flavors crisscross. After this, we'll add sea salt or any natural table salt, 1 tablespoon, and turmeric. Now just, and I'm also adding homemade podi or gunpowder to it, and red chili powder, that is half tablespoon. The podi or gunpowder gives a certain kick to our vegetables and the sambar. And now again we stir, and we stir to mix well. So again, the flavors must infuse with each other. And once the vegetables are cooked, remember, let's not make them mushy. We'll add mango powder, that is 1 tablespoon. Once the mango powder has been added, we'll just wait for a few seconds and we'll add the curry leaves, a small bunch, few leaves, and again wait. And again wait. And now we'll add tamarind water, 50 grams. Tamarind was taken in 200 milliliter of water. Now once this has been added, we will also add crushed jaggery, that is 15 gram, and homemade sambar masala, that is 1 tablespoon. This sambar masala is homemade, and we will stir and allow it to cook. The sambar masala and the gunpowder or the podi masala is homemade. And we'll cook the vegetables till they become soft but not mushy. Remember, I like my vegetables to be a little crisp, crunchy, not mushy. So I will cook accordingly and allow the flavors to infuse with each other. Now, in the meantime, remember the lentils. So let's switch off the flame and let the cooker depressurize all by itself, because the lentils must cook in its own heat. There, beautiful, isn't it? Now we'll add the lentils and the water to the vegetables and cook again. Now we'll stir to mix and stir to mix well. Allow the mix to cook. Allow it to come to the heat. Stir again so that flavors infuse. This is the time when one must taste, because now see, I tasted and it is not all that chatpata. So what to do? I'm going to add a little more of it wasn't all that chatpata, if you notice. So this is the time when I need to make my sambar a little more chatpata. Therefore, let it cook, let it come to a boil, and I'm going to add mango powder, that is again half tablespoon. This should be enough. But wait, I will not take a guarantee on this, because the rule of cooking is to taste again and again till the time your taste is absolutely okay. The dish should be tasted again and again. Now again, let me taste. Yes, now it is done. Let's switch off the flame and serve hot with rice or idli. Your sambar is done. Enjoy and share with all your friends, known, nears, dears, and most importantly, all your enemies and foes too, as I always say. And till the time we meet again with another video or a video recipe, is thanks and bye, and have a nice time from Chef Ashok Kumar Raj. And as I always say, cook healthy, eat healthy, and most importantly, live healthy.